This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Volvo S90 service light using a simple method. First, it is important to ensure that all your vehicle's scheduled maintenance has been completed. Once inside, make sure all doors are closed. Then, turn your ignition to the first position. Do not start the engine just yet. This prepares your car for the next steps in the reset process. Now, let's initiate the reset sequence. Find the minus button on the left side of your steering wheel, which is part of the cruise control. Press and hold this button down firmly. While keeping the minus button pressed, put your foot on the brake and start the engine. This simultaneous action is crucial for the reset procedure to begin correctly. As your engine starts, continue to hold the minus button without releasing it. Keep your eyes on the instrument cluster. You will see a yellow information light, typically an I symbol, begin to flash. This light will flash about 3 times. It is very important to pay close attention to these flashes, as your timing for the next step is critical. The final step is to release the button at the correct moment. Immediately after the 3rd flash of the yellow information light, release the minus button. You should then see a message on your display confirming maintenance reminder reset. To finalize and verify, turn your engine off completely, wait a few seconds, and then restart your vehicle. The service light should now be off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.